Hello everybody, my name is Patrick Bird and my field of study is game design. This video is all about gravity and velocity in video games. In this video, I will go back and forth between real-life demonstration and a video game demonstration with the help of Battlefield 3 on PS3. I'll start off with velocity. In this demonstration, I am using the red ball in real life to compare it with the physics in a first-person shooter. I don't actually need the ball to travel as far or as fast as the bullet for this comparison to work, so a little toss will do. I'll need two things in order to determine velocity: time and distance. The distance was measured at 2.13 meters, and the time was recorded in at about 1 second. So I'll use the formula for determining velocity, which is distance over time equals velocity. Or rather speed in this case, being that there isn't a specific direction. Being that the time was only 1 second, it makes this an easy problem. The ball traveled at 2.13 meters per second. Now I'll do the same with a couple of clips I recorded in Battlefield 3. I'll find a target and take my shot. Now I'll show you the math. I'll use the same formula as before. Distance over time equals velocity. My distance is 168 meters, and my time is 0.258 seconds. This tells me that the speed of the bullet fired is 650 meters per second. I'll try it again with a different clip of mine. I take my shot. Now this time the distance is 331 meters, and the time is 0.33 seconds, which once again has given me 650 meters per second after doing the math. Now let's see how much gravity affects an object over the course of its travel time. Here we are back at the little red ball. The formula on this one: gravity times distance squared over 2 times velocity squared, which tells us how much gravity will pull our object down over the period that it's in motion. So here's the math, and we get 4.91 meters of drop. I'll try the same idea in Battlefield 3. Using the same formula as before, gravity times distance squared over 2 times velocity squared. Gravity is 9.81 meters per second. The distance is 215 meters. And the velocity is 650 meters per second. After doing the math, this states that the bullet will drop 1.62 meters due to gravity. I'll try it again using one last bit of footage. Gravity is 9.81, distance is 384 meters, and velocity is still 650 meters per second. Do the math, and the bullet will drop 2.89 meters by the time it hits its target. Okay, this concludes my demonstration and comparison of both velocity and gravity between real life and video games. I appreciate your time and attention. Thank you.